Listen and repeat after me.
Once there was a girl named Jamie. Jamie was poor but she had a little bit of money. Jamie spent her money on food, water, paper and pens. Jamie spent her money on paper and pens because she was a genius at writing.
One day Jamie was running out of paper, so she went out to buy some more. When Jamie went into the shop, the first thing that caught her eye was a big poster with big writing on it. It said people needed WRT about anything and win $10,000 and be famous. Jamie thought it was a good opportunity to try and win. Jamie brought her paper and raced home to make the best writing piece she could. Jamie could write about anything, but she didn't know what topic to pick, until suddenly she thought about the best topic ever, circus trapeze. Jamie wrote all day and all night. The next morning Jamie woke up and ran back to the shop and asked the manager for a writing form. The manager got Jamie a writing form and Jamie signed the form and was in the competition. The next day there was nothing in the mail for Jamie. The next day there was still nothing in the mail. The next day there was a letter in the mail. It said, "Dear Jamie, well done, you have just won $10,000 and you are now famous for writing. Well done." From Alice. Jamie was so proud of herself that she did her happy chappy dance, but there was one problem: she did want to be famous. Jamie got out some paper and pens and wrote to Alice. Jamie's letter said, "Dear Alice, can I please have the $10,000 and not be famous if that is okay? From Jamie." The next day came and there was no letter in the mail for Jamie. The next day came and there was still no letter in the mail for Jamie. The next day came and there was a letter for Jamie in the mail. It said, "Dear Jamie, I am sorry but you have to be famous to get the money. Your choice. From your friend Alice." Jamie sat by herself and made her choice. She thought and Jamie made a sensible decision that she did want to be famous. She did want to be rich. She just wanted to be herself. So Jamie went back to being herself and doing the things she loved doing in her life.